Hello, guys. It's 007 Wall Street here. Hope everybody's doing good and having a great trading day. So, today we have a bunch of earnings. We have TTD and a bunch of other ones, and I made some changes to the spreadsheet that I've been building out in Notions. So let's go over to that. So I added some visuals here to kind of show you that some of the earnings that we really like that the ERA I think is gonna beat or potentially have a good chance for a good result. So one of them yesterday was Shopify. For today we have Monster Energy, Hubs, TTD, and Sound. Those are the one that it thinks it has a good chance of beating earnings and doing well. And some of the reasons for that is because they historically have a good chance of beating earnings, 60-40% chance over here. And then price of last ER was $89, currently trading below that. It's actually 85.19 right now. Expected move is 14%, which is big move, and they usually go in the favor. So it's very unlikely that they will scam us during a good ER. And the expectation this quarter is doing pretty good. Earnings per share is 35 cents and $577 million in revenue. That's what we're expecting this quarter. And the market is expecting them to be as well, given that TTD is an advertising company. They could potentially do really well during election year. More ads and for political campaigns and things like that. Compared to last year, they have grown a little bit. Earnings per share last year, this quarter was 28 cents per share and $464 million in revenue. So the hope here is that if they not only beat this number but just blow out of the water. If they could do that, they'll have a really good ER. Sounds an interesting one as well, but the stock has appreciated a lot. It's an AI sound stock that Nvidia kind of invested in as well. They're trading around $4 and change right now. Chance to beat is 55% chance. We got the green icon for this as well. And I think one of the reasons is because they're very unlikely to scam us. Outlook is upwards. They're expecting to make more and more money, but I think they've been kind of generous in their outlooks because their earnings per share is negative 9 cents right now, and they're expected to make only $13 million in revenue this quarter. So compared to last year, it was negative 10 cents and $8.75 million in revenue. What that means is that they have a lot of room for improvement. There's a lot of room for growth, and there's a lot of opportunities for surprise. If they like let's say if they lock down McDonald partnership or any of the big restaurants to kind of use AI to do their ordering and stuff, they could potentially grow 5x 10x more. So this could be another lumens in the making here if they can get lock down good deals. So those are some of the interesting ones. We have Monster Energy here as well, and also HubSpot. HubSpot has dropped a lot since last ER. They historically beat a lot with 85% chance of beating. Expected move is 8%, and earnings per share is pretty decent, higher than last year as well. And I think the stock is actually trading lower than last year. However, it's a very expensive stock, very very hard to play earnings on this because option premium is very costly. So I probably won't be going to this one, but those are the other ones that I'm interested in. Here's the rest of the data if you guys are looking for shorts as well. As far as bearish plays, you probably want to look for a stock that has the current price is higher than the previous price or something like this, and has a really high chance of scam, like have a really high chance of scamming us in the past. So off the head, I think Lily could be a potential. Um, I haven't really built a data set for that yet, but pretty much anything that the market is expecting to beat, but the data isn't as crazy, that is a chance that it could drop because market is already priced in for them beating, and if they don't beat and they miss, then it would drop a lot more than what it should doing. So that this is also something you want to take into consideration when you're making plays. Like what does the market think is going to do, and can it do the opposite of what the market think is going to do? That's when you get one of those huge 20% moves. So I hope that helps. Good luck trading, guys.